minutes and clicks. Most rifles, the sights are what's called 1 MOA, 1 minute of angle adjustments. That is, you will move the impact of your bullet 1 inch per 100 yards. So if you're shooting at 100 yards, you're going to move the bullet impact by 1 inch per click, whether it be elevation or windage. If you were at 300 yards, what would that be?
3 inches.
3 inches. Okay, we're shooting at 25 yards.
Quarter inch.
Quarter inch.
Square.
Okay. With scopes, most scopes are going to be marked 1/4 inch at 100 yards, or it should be per 100 yards. This may be really accurate, it may not be as accurate as it claims, and you'll have to know your own sighting system to know what a click equals. So I'm using this target because I see groups that look repeatable to me. And what I'm going to do when I'm looking at this is I'm going to kind of draw a circle around these groups. No, they're not perfectly round. And I'm going to make a cross through that circle. That point is what I'm going to use to make my adjustment. I see here a group that got tighter. So I think we had some effect of using a good steady position. So on this one, if you look at it, these are quarter inch squares. So if I want to move up, how far off am I? I'm
2 minutes.
1, 2,
2 minutes.
and 2.
Yeah.
So I'm ½ inch, right? At 100 yards, what would that be?
2 inches.
So it's 2 inches at 100.
Right.
8 click.
How many minutes is that?
2.
2.
That's 2 minutes of angle. If you're using a scope, how many clicks does that equal?
8.
8, because it's a quarter inch per 100 yards, correct?
Right.
So at 100, that would be 8. If you're using a standard iron sight that's 1 minute of angle, how many clicks?
2.
2 clicks. So it's 2, 2, and 2. Scope and iron. Okay. If we were at 250 and we were
John, let's not lead them down this.
You don't want to get
Yeah,
that part?
let's not go over hands and stuff like that.
Okay.
Let's get them solid at 25 yards.
Okay. So at
So I'm
25
gonna
yards,
draw- yeah.
if we're at 25 yards,
150 for 4 inches.
if we were 4 inches, how many minutes is that?
4. Or, no.
4 inches?
4 inches off.
4 inches off.
1 minute.
4:16.
16 minutes.
That's 16 quarter inches.
Scope, yeah.
How many clicks is that with iron sights? On the 1 MOA sight system?
16.
16. Time for some math. What about a scope?
64.
64. Enough.
You get tired.
Start now.
Okay.
Might want to show.
More?
Just give it a good crank, basically.
So
Okay.
you got the numbers of this worked out now. You know, pretty good. Got any, what the